Uh, yeah, that's the best way to describe that product. And some brand new, just released today, Blue Mountain State 2024 from Metal Leaf, or Leaf Metal. Blue Mountain State. Like, this is going to be crazy. You get 4 base cards and 1 autograph card per box. And Captain decided to get 2 boxes. So, what do you want to start with first, Captain? You want to start with the Chaos, or do you want to go to school? Oh, cool. All right, let's start with a little bit of chaos. That seems to be what you're really good at, Captain, is causing a little bit of chaos. Titanic's Last Survivor. That's, I know it's supposed to be hopeful, but that's kind of still sad because I'm pretty sure she's dead by now. Yeah, 2009. The Last Living Survivor. The Irish Potato Famine. A lot of immigrants came to Buffalo after this happened, or during this happened. There's actually a monument to it down by the right. The face she's making is a little bit scary. It's almost a I won. I'm the last one. Toolbox Killers. They were serial killers, and yeah, they did other things, like tortured and killed 5 victims, as well as did some very bad things that I'm not sure I can even say that word on here. Yeah. And the Great Chichilian Earthquake. 1960. Dang, it was a 9.4 to 9.6 and lasted for 10 minutes. That's insane. Bigfoot, Sasquatch, it's a cryptid. Oh, we got from the Birdman of Alcatraz. Something Likes Trees, Die. It looks like there's even a little bit of a hair or something stuck to that, but I don't know if that's what that is. Active lived. And you can look up the actual full document here. I want to know what he's writing about right here. Likes trees, die. How did, what? Where's the rest of this sentence? I need to know. Well, if you should watch the show, Bacon. Serial killer. Oh man. Mother Rasputin. Eastern Orthodox monastery in Greece until her arrest in 1950. She was for fraud and only investigated dozens of cases of torture and neglect murder. Oh my God. She was eventually convicted of just 7 homicides, but she could basically dozens more. The Black Dahlia. Do we have any numbered cards? So far. Throwing a lot of 800. Okay. Harry Thaw, trial of the century. He was acquitted. What did he supposedly do? Hmm. Okay, so wanted for the allegedly drugged and assaulted Nesbitt before her marriage to oh, this is bad. Got away with it. The Whitechapel murder suspect, Thomas Cutbush, Ripperology. Rick Speck, sentenced to 100 to 300 years. I wonder if they leave your body in there. That would actually be amusing. Like, nope, the body can't leave for 300 years. He died in prison of a heart attack in 1991. He was given the death sentence in 1967. He was 26 years old. His sentence was eventually reduced to 100 to 300 years. Like, yeah, we're not going to kill you, but you ain't leaving. Ethiopian famine, more than 1 million dead. I love it. Your sentence has been reduced to 300 years. Like that doesn't help. The Lethal Lovers. Wall Street bombing of 1920. Ooh, Blackbeard. Out of 150 or about a 55. It's a little refractor there, and then a Chupacabra. So we got a handwritten relic though. Now, do you want these boxes at Captain or no? I don't know. They don't look special. No, they thought they were tin at first, but they're just cardboard. Like when I once I got the... Yeah, I thought it was a tin at first. When it's in the shrink wrap, like, oh, maybe it's a tin, but it's just, Warning, contents inside box are highly collectible. Yeah, see, it's just cardboard. I tried not to peek. But now I'm like, how the heck do I open this? Uh-oh. I feel like I have to take like 20 steps. All right. Looks like the first one's going to be a keg stand. Alan Rickson. 3 of 3. So that's 3 of 3. That's a nice way to start. I kind of wonder if I should just put it back in this at the end. I'll decide in a moment when I get it all figured. Oh, God. Oh yeah, it's for fans of the show. 6 of 15. The team mascot. Some Blue Mountain State.
Oh, we are? Oh my God, who's this for?
This is for Captain.
Captain! You should have called me in here, Captain. I want to see these.
I tried to get Steve, or not Steve, Sean, but
Oh, there's Denise Richards?
Denise Richards.
Okay, Captain. What's up, Captain?
This is 28 out of 30.
Oh, I saw the keg stand that to 3. It's sick. Alan Rich, that's so sick. All right, let's see what else we get. It's 1 auto per box too, right?
Yep.
Was this the first box, Captain?
Do you want to open the second one?
Might have to. Might have to.
Keg stand?
Ooh. Oh, who was that, Larry? Yeah, it looks like
man,
Larry.
Newton.
Or is that one of the? Is that the?
One of one.
Whoa!
What?
Whoa!
1 of 1 for Larry Summers.
Larry 101. You got the Fad 3 of 3 and the Larry 101. I love it. I love it, Captain.
This is a win.
I love it. All right, auto time, right?
I think this has got to be, yeah, it's got to be the auto.
What do we get? Give me a big auto for Cap. Give me a big auto.
We have Paige Kennedy.
Who is that? Randall or whatever, right?
I think so.
Oh, that's sick.
It's 5 of 8.
What's that? Raydon Randall? I forget what his full name
Oh,
is.
I forget.
That's awesome.
It's been a while. That's pretty cool.
I love when he does the episode where he's doing like the call-ins. He does the radio show. Oh, that's
so
a
fun.
cool auto.
This is a cool auto.
That's pretty cool, Cap. This is sick. We have a group break of it, guys.
We have a
Spot
it's like
random
we have a
box.
group break.
But you're more than welcome to get it as a Percy too if you don't want to wait for the group break to sell out. I'm all in on this product. All in on this product. That's sick. That's sick, Captain.
Yeah, it comes in the box in one of these.
Okay, yeah. That's
So,
usually
like,
how the leaf metals go.
So you got to like cover it before you open it.
I know. No peeking, right?
Yeah.
Don't let these sickos peek.
Right.
All right, Captain.
So did you want to take a
I'll
crack
rip
at it?
one. I'll rip one box. I got to rip one.
Is that okay with you, Captain?
I don't think Captain will be upset about that.
I don't think so.
If he will, then I won't. I won't do it. I won't do it, Captain. I won't do it. Just happen to have to return the boxes and then mark them out of stock, Captain, if that's how you want it. Oh, we're not. Josh C isn't here. Not everything has to be a gritty. Not everything has to be a gritty. All right, let's go nice and slow on this. Okay. Oh, I think I peaked. I know I peaked. Top card's all right. If we peak top card, whatever. All right. Look at this. Look at that sight of hand right there. Captain has no idea. He has no idea. Ooh, look at that. And they already put the spacer in there. Yeah, Captain doesn't have a clue. Also, shout out Rabbit Beaver for the
spacers.
Awesome
Yeah,
spacers.
awesome.
All right, Cap. I think I saw the top card, and I forget his name. I'm so bad with the names, but it's my favorite. One of my favorite characters from the show. I believe we're about to get the kicker here. Yeah, we are. Oh my God, the cookie race.
The cookie race card.
Oh, that was. I don't know if
It's like I don't think
I didn't know if I wanted to eat Oreos for like months after that episode. James Cade Harmon, that's his name. The Cookie Race, 7 of 15. Gotta love the kicker. The kicker's, I mean, he's an elite character.
Yeah.
Absolutely elite. I love it. James Cade, 7 of 15. 7 of 15.
Like, it's a fun show, but I can't talk about it on the air.
Okay, yeah, exactly. Well, you know, you can talk a little bit. Oh, we know that hairline. We know that hairline. There he is.
The blue?
Little Thad Castle right there. Alan Richardson, Thad Castle. That is out of 30. Little Alan Richardson to 30. Little Thad Castle. That's clean. That's clean looking card. Clean look at Thad Castle.
What
Clean
up,
look at
Max?
that.
How's it going?
All right.
No, this is
No,
a personal.
Percy.
Who's personal?
Captains. Ooh.
Oh, Captain.
Oh, there's a little Moran. Little campus colors, little Alex Moran, Darren Brooks on the campus colors.
Love to hear it.
Out of 50. Out of
Love to
50,
hear
little
it.
Alex Moran.
Same, man. Just,
Little Alex
keep
Moran, we
moving
take
forward,
take
keep
it.
pushing. Got that meeting next on Tuesday
All right, I don't know how I'm gonna.
that we were talking about.
All right, Captain. We're gonna have to like slide because one's a die cut. There we go. There we go. Don't want to spoil the auto. The die cut. Party Cup Gabrielle Dennis.
Dude,
And she
look,
stinks.
Yeah, she was.
She stinks.
We're out
Yep.
on her.
She was
Ooh,
stinks.
the
She was
worst.
Craig Shallow's girlfriend.
She was the
Stinks.
worst.
She stinks. Out of 15, Gabrielle Dennis.
Have you watched it lately?
I've seen it a couple times through. I haven't seen it probably in like a year or two.
I haven't seen it in a while.
I've
Well,
seen
like,
it. I've
was,
seen it a few times through though. All right.
I think I gotta go back.
I
'Cause
auto
started
time.
watching it 'cause when I found it out. that
Auto
was on
time.
Paramount Plus, and I watched the first episode.
and just
Oh, is that Craig Shallow?
back in.
It is
Yep.
Sam Jones,
There
the
you go.
third. Craig Shallow auto, and that is a 1 of 1,
Bang.
Captain.
Bam.
Bang!
1 of 1, Sam Jones, Craig Shallow auto.
Let's get it.
That is sick, dude. That is sick. Sam Jones, 1 of 1, Craig Shallow auto. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All in. All in. Maybe the only good football player at this school. I guess that too. That was pretty
That
good
was
too.
a beast.
That was
especially
pretty
when
good
shot
too. He
up
got
the
drafted.
rabies.
Yeah. Not too shabby there,
But
Captain.
It gives me the
Not too shabby.
edge, and it's untraceable.
I love that.
What?
Please,
It's like,
Captain, I'm down.
no, because everything else, every other story I've heard about rabies is.
Captain,
it's
I will
right,
hang
it's
out.
for
I
you.
will hang out for the next
It's
break
not
if you want to
curable
run it
once
back.
gets to the-
I will hang out if you want to run it back, Captain. I'm so down.
This product is amazing.
I love it.
Is this the
I love
first
it
time?
so much.
This is the first time I've opened it.
All right,
'Cause
Captain.
we
Well,
had the
you
group
let us
break,
know.
but the group break hasn't sold out, so
You let us
And
know.
then Captain decided to do this, and oh yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean that break takes priority over a work call, Captain. Let's be real. We gotta show the heads. Show the heads. Yeah.
Yep.
Blue Mountain State, Leaf Blue Mountain State
Even-
just came out 101. Craig
Isabel
Shallow
knows-
auto.
Isabella knows about it.
I got a
Isabel's
one-on-one
Blue
keg
Mountain
stand.
State, huge Blue Mountain State fan. It's her favorite show.
Their favorite
Yeah, you
team
told
and
me what? You
everything.
told me yesterday you watched it like you watched it like 5 times through on your own. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, of course, of course.
There he is.
What do you think
Are you a
of
Blue Mountain State
the
guy?
cookie race
Oh my
card
God,
for the
the kickers?
kicker? Yeah, the kicker cookie race card.
This is the Leaf product?
Appreciate you, Captain. Just let us know. Yeah, this is Blue Mountain State.